Well, we're here on Douglas Lake. We've had 2 hits this morning, and that's been it. So we are struggling a little bit, but we're not giving up. Luke's got his game face on.
Oh, that burned.
And he is ready to catch him. No.
I was trying to remember the notes to Mary had a little lamb. I kind of got off topic. Maybe you got a snapping turtle. Maybe you caught a snapping turtle. Dad, how do you know the difference between a snapping turtle and a log? Like when you get one.
I've never caught a snapping turtle.
Mom has. But she caught a turtle. Because they'll like just sit there. And you'll think you're hung. You're not big. See, you can see the big clumps of shad.
Mm-hmm.
But I don't see the big fish.
There he is. That's a big one. Get the net, son.
What?
That's a monster. That is a monster fish. Get the big net.
Oh, big net. I don't know how to use the big net.
Oh. Well, you better learn.
Oh, I got it.
Oh, this is a monster.
I got it.
It is a monster.
Oh.
There you go. Well, that ain't a monster, but it's a good one. All right.
Woo.
Way to go, buddy. Way to work as a
That
team.
was you.
What do you mean that was me?
Here.
Here, I got it.
Let me get this one over.
Yeah, it wasn't as big as I thought, but it's a good one.
Oh, jeez. I'll get the lava open.
Oh, yeah, finally. Finally got a decent fish.
Sweet.
Well, it's not even as big as I thought. But it is a fish, so that's what counts.